Nakita niyo na ba itong banning of electronic devices for students and teachers? Ito ay from kindergarten to senior high school in both public and private schools. Tara, tingnan natin. Pero kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, huwag mo kalimutan mag-follow at subscribe. Gurong gala! At eto nga pala ay nakuha ko ulit sa may DepEd Tambayan. At eto nga palang guidelines na to ng pagbaba ng electronic devices both for teachers and students ay galing sa Senate Bill number 2706, the Electronic Gadget Free Schools Act. Well, actually, wala namang problema kung tayo ay hindi pa gagamitin ng mga cellular phone. Tulad nga ng sabi dito, except during emergencies or when needed for lessons. Well, actually, for the information of everybody, mostly sa mga teachers ay ginagamit ang kanilang mga cellular phones during their classes, while others ay ginagamit naman ang kanilang mga laptops. Para sa akin, wala talagang problema kung ibaban ang paggamit ng cellular phones sa loob ng schools during class hours. Sabi nga dito ni Gatchalian, he emphasized the device's negative impact on academic performance and the rise in cyberbullying, citing a 2022 PISA analysis where 80% of 15-year-olds reported being distracted by smartphones in class. Vice President and Secretary Sara Duterte agreed with this initiative, which is true. Maraming bullying ang nangyayari lalo na sa paggamit ng cellular phones. Hindi maganda ang nagiging impact ng cellular phone sa mga estudyante. Ginagamit na nila ito sa pambubuli ng ibang bata o ibang estudyante. At ito pa nga yung sinabi ni Vice President Secretary ng Department of Education, Sara Duterte, we're okay with the banning of gadgets for personal use, subject to exceptions. I understand and have read the draft that there are exceptions, particularly if the gadget is used for learning and teaching, she said during the celebration of the 126th Independence Day. Kayo ba? Agree ba kayo sa pag-total ban ng electronic devices, both for public and private schools, and both for students and teachers? Yun lang, salamat!